Okay, today is 19th of July 2026. And yeah, let's do quick analysis for the gold and also for the ES and see how it's work. So we see on the gold, you know, on the daily chart that the this level people keep buying. What I can say, it's like they always do the short covering in here, very quick one short covering in here. Again, they do short covering, but we see that the gold lately is maintained between 4,000, and also 4,000 4150. Yeah, sorry, 4,000 to 4150. This is the range right now. So let's see if there is a continuation. Then I'm expecting the price to going back 450 level. Otherwise, I'm not pretty sure that the gold will do the liquidation below this level. So let's see on Monday. But I guess, I think, I'm still expecting that because see, there's a lot of short covering. Every selling, they always like doing short covering, sell and short covering. Just keep doing that one. So I guess that the market's pretty confident, and what we call it in here is like shortening of the trust. It's not getting any further and it's going back. So let's see. Otherwise, if there is the break below this level, is going to be ugly liquidation. Like a lot of people is buying here. Same like in here. See this when sorry about this, when people try to maintain this level and then trade below, and woof, everyone want to liquidate. So I'm still expecting that the market will be, the gold will be maintained between 4,000 to 4,150. That's the first level that I want to see. And look at the profile. If you see the profile from we focus on last week first. The market was down, closing below on Monday, but after that, we can see that there's a lot of buying below this level, or short covering, and then after that, another liquidation. But look, it's not far from here, and then have this rejection, or access below this level, and then keep buying again. Look at the point of control, still maintain at 4,000 level. So yeah, so I'm gonna see 5150 is right here. So on Monday, what I'm trying, I like to see is the gold will stay above this is the high of the value area of the Friday. Yeah, that's the one. This is the low. So if the gold can be maintained in this area, then mostly the price will stay, test this level, going back this level, so making range like this. Otherwise, if that's if the dollars or the yield, it's keep coming up, then it's will be we will see that the price will be distribute to this value area. So that's the one thing. And but like let's see in here, we will get back on the gold, but let's see on the, since we talking about the bond. So the yield, so this is the software, the rate for the software, short term 3 months. It's shoot up from, well, for this year, it shoot up to the this level. It's pretty ugly, meaning that the investor want a higher rate for keeping the money in the US. So when this price it's keep coming up, that means the margin, the rate for the borrowing the money is more expensive. And you know that the most of the trading in the US on the world, it's based on the margin. So they borrow the money, or they got leverage, and that's consume the interest rate. So when the price of the interest is going up, the cost of moving the market's going up. That mean, nobody want to hold the market until, the asset until the market steady. Even though that we will see the ES will going up, we must expecting that, the big fund will take profit more quickly. So that's the thing, because and also for the gold, if the rate is staying here, so we will see that the gold will not go to anywhere. That's one thing. And the second thing is, if you see on a 10-year, that's beauty, right? Since 2025, this is the highest level that they ever touched. So if we see the cooling down, then we will see the gold and the ES, the US stock, to go up. Because we already see that the correlation and between the bond and the gold, and also for the stock market, all based on for the stock market is based for the leverage and margin, and that's consume interest rate. But for the gold, because the gold there is no yield, it's in investment without the yield. So when the yield is high, the big fund will put the money on the bond. That's one thing. But let's see, because every time is in this level, since this year actually, it's always shutting down. So let's see. So if it's going down, then we will see good news for the ES and also for the gold. And last one, it's let's see on this one. Yeah, this is the dollar index. I don't say that the gold with following the dollars, which is but if the dollars move extremely, that's one thing. The gold will have the impact. Will get a flow from the gold, the inverse flow of the gold, of the dollars. So we have to be careful with this one. And let's see this. On Wednesday, there was a liquidation, and after that it's short covering. And yesterday on the Friday, it's just a normal day, which is no decision day, or inside bar if you see the chart. So small bar, not inside bar. So yeah, here we have to see either the dollar will move this direction to fill this or this. That's very important. So yeah, so it will wait for the gold move. So will be give the pressure or give the push to the gold. Doesn't mean that the gold will following the US dollar, but you can see the flow. So that's it. Yeah, that's for that things. And yeah, so let's get back for this. Yeah, see that a lot of short covering, selling, and then poof, we have this rejection on this one, up. So yeah, let's see if the gold have the power to lift the price in here. So it's about the auction market. We don't have to be predicting the market. We just need to see and follow how it look like. Yeah, that's one thing. Yeah. Just last quick one. If you see the short covering like this on any time frame, fee like this, you have to look at where the market develop the value area. So at the end of the period, the gold making this value area, it's still small, but this developing profile will mean something. If the gold price can trade above, that's mean we will see the short covering and new money buying. Or the seller try to push, and together with the new money buying, initiative buying, to go higher and maybe to trade in this level. So yeah, let's see. Otherwise, we will see the cooling down of this one. Then the market can just go here, like we discussed before. So let's see on Monday, and that's it. Have a good day.